Hello, my dear friends. Nice to see you. Do you remember what we're going to discuss today? You're absolutely right. The topic of our lesson is Who's Who. Today we'll try to describe our relatives' appearance and characters. I'd like to ask some questions about your families. Look at the screen. Here are the questions. Have you got a family? Is your family big or small? Have you got a father or a mother? What's your father or mother's name? How old is he or she? Have you got a sister or brother? What does he or she look like? What is he or she like? What does he or she like? Let's try to answer all of those questions together. Now you should try to remember the plan for describing people and follow it. Look at this, please. Common information. Appearance. Age. Height and weight. Color of eyes. Personal characteristics. Behavior. Hobbies. Preferences. Clothes. Conclusion. Let's describe Tom's mum with Tom. Common information. Let me introduce my mum. Age. She is 35 years old. Height and weight. She is tall and slim. Color of eyes. With big eyes. Personal characteristics. Behavior. She is calm and caring. Hobby. She likes reading fashion magazines. She can cook well. Preferences. She is afraid of flying. Clothes. She is wearing a blue blouse and a red skirt. Conclusion. I love my mum very much. Now our lesson is coming to an end. Good luck and bye-bye.